everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable Autolock on your SafePal wallet. To enable Autolock on SafePal, open up the SafePal application on your mobile device and log into your wallet like you normally do. Now, tap on the settings icon at the top left corner from the homepage. From the settings menu, click on Security. Tap on the Autolock button under Security and choose the duration of inactivity, after which the screen of your SafePal device will automatically turn off. After choosing the time duration, go ahead and enter your security password for your wallet. And that is how you easily enable Autolock on your SafePal wallet. This will now ensure that your device automatically locks after a period of inactivity, adding an extra layer of security. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.